Well, like all good things, we must take a step back and evaluate our lives. I took a break because I needed a break. I took a break because I needed a break. I needed a break to do something else. I needed a break to for better me, for my kids, and I went to school. That's it. Of course, ma retourner parce que c'est passion moi, c'est li m'remè, moi remè m'damoul. So ma retourner. Sooner than you think, I'll be on your big screen. My biggest fear in life would be leaving my kids behind so early. Le plus souvent, on dit chien gardé, j'ai mis kare avant l'entrée. Avec tout le monde, moi, cité, beaucoup de gens, jeune homme qui respectent. Ils toujours approché sous talent. Yo ouais ça me fait et puis yo approché. Yo pas jamais respecté. Bons amis avec yo. Nous toujours quand même contact. Pas de monde qui jamais respecté. For that, I'm thankful. The craziest thing I ever did was in that movie, The Birth of an Assassin, when I had that kissing scene with the girl. That's as crazy as I go. Falling for a co-star? No. It's all business for me. Just business. My favorite place to escape is home. I'm a homebody. I like being home. So that's my haven, that's my everything. I wish people could say, I don't know if anybody could tell that I'm a very shy person. I'm bad at interviews, horrible at it. If I'm behind the camera, you say action, I'm there. But interviews, I've never known what to say, and I'm always like, ugh. But I'm getting better at it, I think. Cuddling and makeout. I like them both because after the other after one you get to do the other. So I'm more of a cuddly person. Not all the time, but in my mood, in my moment, then we can do all of that. Liking sex it really depends on who I'm with. I'm more of a foreplay girl. Most of the time I have sex, it's to please the partner because foreplay always pleases me. So again, like I always say, it has to do with feelings. When there's no feelings, yes, size matter. When there's feelings, I've been with different size, and I find that with feelings, you learn to accept what you have, and then you work with it. That's me. But if there's no feelings, yes, hell yeah, yes. Cheating on plenty, but cheated, I've returned the favor. Yes, I've returned the favor. It's only fair, but yeah. No. If I kiss you, then it was meant to be. Okay, I came into this world as free as I can. So therefore, I believe when you go into sleep, you should be the same way, as free as you can be. Read between the lines. Okay, again, it all depends on the feelings and the partner. If I'm feeling you, I can have sex the whole day. Granted, it cannot be an hour affair. I'm not even 30 minutes. There's a time to start and a time to finish. If we finish in a timely manner, then I can just rest and go again. But again, it all depends on how I feel about the person. That's it. If I don't feel you like that, then you get the one time. I was very hot when I was little. They show. So not to say sexually show, but you know, petit garçon or beau. I can say that my first kiss was probably around what, 8, 10. But sexually, I started probably 17, 18. See, not too bad. I was normal. The most dang place that I've ever been intimate with someone was at the beach, broad daylight, and everybody was passing. So I've lived my life. Ok, mwen gen 3 chwa. Ki es mwen preferi nan zonyon, betrav, tibef. 2 out of 3. But se pa zonyon. So betrav avek tibef.